I'm Zach and I'm Nana's art room. I'm gonna do a flip cup.
All right.
How much of these? How much is that? That's going in there, like half full.
We're gonna do a couple of layers, so stop. So keep going along. I'm gonna do it twice, so go to the next cup. Yep. And then you can say what color that is. Tell them what color that is.
The
Brilliant.
Argentina Basics, pink.
Quinacridone, oh yeah, magenta. Okay. That is just a mixture of purples. Okay. And what color is that blue? Does it say?
No.
Where's the blue?
Doesn't say.
Wasn't there a lid for that one? No. Oh well. It's a no-name one. It's right there.
That's cerulean.
Cerulean blue.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. So now you're going to do these colors again, finish it off, and then white on the top. That's what I usually do. Oops. Now you might want to scrape that out with a stick, because there's not. Scrape the rest out with a stick in the last one, if you can. All right. Let's finish that one off too. Would you like gloves, Zach, or are you okay?
I'm okay.
Here's a napkin. Get it all out. All right. Oh, there's a tinge left. I don't like wasting paint. All right, put a little white on the bottom. Now you can squirt that white in. That's probably good. All right. That should be enough paint for that. So now you're just going to take the cup and you're just going to flip it over, but make sure you get it on there. You know how to do that, right? You get it. I'm sure you can do it quicker. There, that's it. There, and then let it sit, and then you can. Whoops. Oh, there. So when you think it's all out, then when you flip it over, so you're going to turn it towards you and kind of slide it down, okay?
Okay.
Not right off, but you know, be kind of fast. Oh, that's a different way to do it. Okay, that's fine. Only next time, just go like this. Oh, look at those cells. Flip it.
Oh, like all the way up?
Yeah, yeah. Just like there. Now let it drip, let it drip. Yeah. Look at the cup. Wow. That's awesome. So then you can tip it so that this runs down to the bottom. You might need gloves for this because your hands are going to get full of paint. Look at these cells, Jackson.
cut ones too.
Yeah, cool. Look inside
Yeah,
the cup.
same here. That's cool. I gotta keep that.
Look at this one.
You should do mugs. Like flip cup mugs.
Yeah.
A cup on a cup.
Yeah, we've done that one. It's called a, you know how you get lids like this, and there's a little cup inside it?
Oh,
And you put 2 different colors of paint in there.
cool hell.
Hard to get on.
Yep.
Got a fat hand.
Just stretch them. Your hand's sweaty. Maybe. There we go. So what you're gonna do is try and get the paint to come to here, and then you can kind of go side to side. You wanna get all the white part covered by moving it around. Let me move this little cup out of the way. That's cool. Go side to side.
Ooh, that looks really cool. Really drippy.
It's okay if it runs off the side a little bit because you want it to, right? Yeah, and you want to keep going so it gets the corners. Even if you touch it, it'll go. Yeah. And you can come over here a little bit to get this corner. Whoa, look at the stripes now. Take this. Oh, la, la. There you go. And come this way. Lift this up so you come this way. Put your finger there, okay. There. Now you can go back that way if you want. Oh, all those pretty cells, they'll come back once you move it. You can make it so that they're both the same like that, and then they'll both come down. Oh, you're almost there. Yeah, come on, paint. Almost there. One more corner to go. Messy, eh? Oh, you're almost there. Whoa, look at that magenta. It's pretty.
That's sick.
Now, if you want these lines to straighten out, you can always come back a bit or whatever you think.
Well, I think that's fine.
You like
now.
it? So now, wipe your hands on this. You can torch it. I'll let you use a blowtorch, okay? It's a tool. Watch out, it's touching. Oh. It's messy, isn't it? You want to take it off? Yeah. If you can get some more cells to come out, just push the end. It's on. Yeah. Push. There. Not too close, not too close. Yeah. Oh, fewer coming. Just kind of move it, yeah. I think most of them were all out at the beginning. Neat. Yeah, that's about it. Cool. Look at that, eh?
Yep.
Looks good. What do you think, Jackson? Looks nice, eh?
Yes.
All right. So, what do you say to everybody now?
Like and subscribe.
To
Carol's Art Room.
all right. Bye-bye. Okay, here's the dried results of Zachary's pour. It looks awesome, these colors. Dried pretty smooth. I like it. I like the stripy lines. Looks good. There you go, there's the dried results. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.